14th problem. Find the area of the triangle whose vertices are A 1, 2, 3, B 2, 3, 1 and C 3, 1, 2. So let us write given vertices. We need to find out the area of the triangle. So we will write these vertices as the position vectors OA is equals to I plus 2j plus 3k and OB is equals to 2I plus 3j plus k and OC is equals to 3I plus j plus 2k. So these are the three vectors. So let us find out, we need to find out the area. So area of the triangle. The formula is half mod AB cross BC. So we need to find out this cross product. For that, let us find out AB. So AB means OB minus OA. So OB is 2I plus 3j plus k minus into plus is minus I. Minus into plus is minus 2j. Minus into plus is minus 3k. 2I minus I is I. 3j minus 2j is j. K minus 3k is minus 2k. So this is AB. Next, we need to find out BC. So BC is equals to OC minus OB. So OC is 3I plus 3I plus j plus 2k minus OB. Minus into plus is minus 2I. Minus into plus is minus 3j. Minus into plus is minus k. So it will be 3I minus 2I is I. J minus 3j is minus 2j. 2k minus k is k. So BC. BC is equals to I minus 2j plus k. Let us find out the cross product of AB cross BC is equals to AB cross BC. So I, J, K. 1, 1, minus 2. 1 minus 2, 1. 1 minus 2, 1. So we will get I. 1 1 za 1. Minus into minus plus 2 2 za 4. Minus J. 1 1 za 1. Minus into minus is plus. 1 2 za 2. Plus K. 1 2 za 2. Minus 1 1 za 1. 1 minus 4 is minus 3I. 1 plus 2 is 3. Minus 3j. Minus 2 minus 1 is minus 3k. Next, we need to find out its mod. So, mod of AB cross BC. That will be under root of minus 3 square plus minus 3 square plus minus 3 square. So it will be minus 3 square is 9, 9, 9. So 9 plus 9 plus 9 is the root of 27. So that will be square root of, if we write this, we can write 9 3s up. Square root of 9 is 3. So 3 root 3. So therefore, area of the triangle is equals to half into 3 root 3. So 3 root 3 ones are 3 root 3 by 2 square units.